Hey y'all, Miss Shakata here, and I'm here to tell you how herbals saved my life. But before we get into this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today we are talking about marshmallow root. This is another one of my favorite roots that I take daily in my little glass jar of supplements. Let's get into it. Now, this marshmallow root derives from Europe, North Africa, and Asia. Look at that. It has like a kind of like a woody smell, a little bit like dry paper. It comes from the family of cotton hibiscus, and it comes from the okra family. Now, when I say in all my videos is I am not a physician. These are just things that I put in my daily routine and regimen and my diet to help me. Now, sure about the holistic route, check with your physician and see if it's okay. If you're not confident enough to consume herbs yourself, also do interaction checks to see how these herbs interact with your medications, because this specific herb right here is not good if you take lithium or diabetic medication. So I love this herb because it is definitely good for GI. I have said this in my previous videos, and this herb specifically coats your stomach. It makes sure that you're not getting acid reflux every time you eat something highly acidic. It's an antioxidant, it's an anti-inflammatory, it treats cold symptoms, and it also coats the esophagus. It treats ulcers, heartburns. It creates the thick lining in your stomach, like I said, to protect your stomach from acid reflux, ulcers, or progressing to what I had, which was Barrett's esophagus. I don't have anymore because of the herbals that I take and that I have been taking over the last couple years. And it's good for your hair and skin. I love this. Now, if you're pregnant, it says that studies state that it helps for acid reflux. But once again, I am not a physician. You want to contact your treating physician to see if it's okay to take this herbal. So let's go ahead and get into blending this into a tea. Now, this is the individual steeper. You just take a little bit right there, put it right there, put it in a cup, and you're going to pour boiling hot water. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. And once it gets nice and steep, you're going to add a sweetener. I use raw sugar instead of honey because, once again, honey turns into a toxic when it's heated up to a certain degree. Now, because I consume and drink multiple herbals at once, I don't use the individual steeper. What I do is I take about a half a cup of my herbs that's blended with, includes this marshmallow root, and I enter into my big steeper, and it's like a little net basket there. I pour it in there, put some hot water in there, let it steep for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, pour it in my cup with my sweetener. So this is our herbs for today for marshmallow roots. We're gonna get into some more additional herbals that help save my life, that help better my life, and what I implement into my everyday regimen in the next several few videos, and we're definitely going to get into the one that definitely saved my life. Once again, subscribe and come back for more videos. Miss Shakata here. Talk to you soon.